Have you ever wondered, when did humans create the very first weapon? Where was it made, and more importantly, why? Was it only for hunting, or was there something far more complex behind it? Archaeologists tell us, during the Stone Age, humanity created its first weapon. It was a sharp-edged stone, known today as the Oldowan Tool. This primitive weapon was used to hunt animals, cut meat, and survive against the dangers of the wild. It was humanity's very first step in turning weakness into strength. But soon, man went further, by sharpening wood and attaching stone to it. He created the world's first spear for the very first time. Humankind could stand face to face with the beasts of the wilderness, armed and unafraid. But the story takes a darker turn. Was this weapon truly made only for animals? History suggests otherwise, around 10,000 years ago, as humans began farming and settling permanently. Conflicts arose over land, water, and power, and for the first time, a weapon was raised, not against a beast, but against another human being. That was the beginning of organized violence by the Bronze Age. Swords, daggers, and shields had emerged, and in 1457 BC, the Battle of Megiddo became the first recorded war in history, where weapons were used openly, not for survival, but for dominance. From then on, weapons never stopped evolving. The sharp stone became the spear. The spear became the bronze sword. The sword became the iron blade. Iron gave birth to gunpowder weapons. Gunpowder led to cannons, then rifles, then tanks and warplanes, and today nuclear missiles, drones, and cyber warfare. The truth is undeniable. Every weapon we know today is a direct descendant of that very first sharp stone. Man created the first weapon to survive, but through time, those same weapons became tools of conquest, greed, and war. Today, humanity holds in its hands the power to destroy itself in a single moment. Atomic bombs, hydrogen bombs, biological weapons, and yet, all of them trace back to that first sharp stone in a prehistoric man's hand. So the question remains, will humanity ever learn to make its mind stronger than its weapons? Or will history end with mankind destroyed by its very own creation?